B. Jordan is in Italy looking like an absolute entree. He looks so good. He was just in Saint-Tropez with his girlfriend. I'm not sure if she's on this boat with him, but he's having a great time.
I think he shaves his whole body. He waxes his whole body.
Is that sexy to you, or does that turn you?
No. Do you find that weird when guys do their legs?
Yeah. Yes, legs is too much.
He might just not grow hair, though.
There's naturally no hair in your
Yeah.
legs?
Then that'd be weird then.
Look like Charles' arms.
Why are you looking at my arms, man?
Because, Charles, your arms are so shiny. The way that the light shines down on them from your desk.
But why do you wax or shave them?
First of all, I don't. It's odd.
What's odd?
That is natural.
It is very odd.
Touch it, Evan.
Touch it, Evan.
Don't you touch it. Don't.
Evan, do it.
Don't.
It's so soft.
We're TMZ. If you like our vibe, click on that button and hit subscribe. We'll send you more.